Ohio. So I'm just exploring. I'm out here in this area called Bender Mountain. So here it is. Bender Mountain Natural Preserve. So looking at the reviews, and it was saying prepare to cross some water to get to the trail, and that right there is a frozen creek. You see, I'm trying to figure out how to get down here without slipping. This is very icy. All right, that right there is a frozen creek, and there's the trail right over there. All right, let's go this way and see. All right, I'm not used to snow at all, being from Florida. This is very deep snow. All right. I can hear the creek water creaking. How deep is this? Is this frozen water? Yeah. Don't fall in. Trying to stay on the rocks. A little creek. Holy moly, I just almost fell. See if I can go across here. Oh. I'm playing hopscotch here with the rocks here. Oh, check out this. Don't fall in there. I hope my car's good over there. Alright, I'm on the other side. Alright, let's see if we can go up this trail and see how it is. So I'm in Ohio, over by Cincinnati, Bender Mountain. Boy, it's not easily accessible. Alright, let's check out this sign over here. Very, very, very pretty here. So I came from over there. There's my car. There's the road. Let's see. There's the trail map. Looks like there's a couple benches here on the left. It says it's 12.7 acres. Western Wildlife Corridor. Another section that's 42 acres. Another one that's 72 acres. Let's just keep exploring. Don't get lost in the woods. Don't slip on ice. The temperature is like around 35 degrees right now. It's only like 10 o'clock. So it's a little cold here. There's those little benches that were on the map. See if we can head up there. Alright, there's the little benches. One of them. Let's go check it out. Hey! There, it's tied. There's snow on it. See if I can knock it off. Oh, it's solid. Oh, I'm having a seat. Okay. I'm at the top where the little bench is. I'm winded already. I'm out of breath, out of shape. We got a little creek going all the way down. So I have to cross that creek to get over. Pretty nice. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you guys are ever in Cincinnati, you guys can come to this Bender Mountain area. Be prepared to just park almost like in this just open area, and you have to cross that little creek, stay on the stones to get over. All right, thank you, bye.